Hey, this is Erin from Creative Eye Chalk, and even though I can't get the napkins done in time today, I thought I could get the tea towels done. And this is a good idea because I'm going to be blending some ink colors and I want to see how they react to each other. Alright, let's see, can you see my tea towel? And the colors I'm going to do for this one are pink. Let's see, should have picked out my colors first. I really like the Tide. It reminds me of our peacock color. And actually I think those are the two cake colors. No, they're not. I'm going to do these two colors for the cake and then the Tide for the words. So I'm actually going to go ahead and do the words first. Just because they're easy, I'm just going to do them a solid color. When you put on the ink, put it on the aqua part of the transfer, not right on the silkscreen part itself, because you don't want the ink just resting in a glob on the silkscreen part. Okay, and I can see through the transfer that that's pretty good coverage. I'll just show you real quick. So you can see that, so that part's good. Now the cake, I'm going to do this little blending. So what I'm going to do is first cover this top part. I'm always tempted to go two directions when I'm inking, but it's really better because the fabric absorbs to only go one direction. So occasionally I forget and I think it's like chalk paste and I'll go both directions, but you usually get a better result if you just do one direction. There's less bleeding. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is leave that center section open, because what I want to do is blend the two colors together. And this is going to be an important technique for me for the watering can, because I will have a lot of blending to do on that one, so I was glad that I thought of this today. Okay, so now I'm going to take some of that excess ink and go ahead and blend them together, and hopefully on that part of the image we'll have a little bit of a mixture of the two colors. I'm just going to wipe off the excess with my finger, because that's what I do. And there you go. Bake it and they will come. And right before I did that one, I did this one paper, but that one says I love hugs, I love kisses, but what I really want is help with the dishes. Let's see, can you see that, you guys? But the last part I'm going to do before I heat set it is add my little bird, because everything I've done for her has this little bird. So this is her tablecloth, and it has that little bird there. So here's her Lazy Susan. I put a little bird up there. And then I was intending to make coasters, but I found these and I thought the flowers matched really well, so I just added a little bird. The ones that were the coasters that were already done, I did paste instead of ink, and then I poly coated it. The tiles I have for myself to match mine are actually in the oven baking. So next week I'll show you my set. So thanks for joining.